Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer tickets from Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna go ahead and open up your wallet app. As soon as you open up your wallet, this is how the interface gonna look like. Now what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna go ahead, tap on the ticket that you would like to simply share. Once you're tapped on the ticket of yours, you're gonna be tapping on this three dot, which will open up the settings for it, and you can see on this little blue highlighted text, you can see share pass. That's where you're gonna tap on it. As soon as you tapped on it, you will find options to share it. You can simply airdrop it to the person who uses the same device as of yours, or you can tap on message. You can send it via message, via mail, and tap on more so you can get more options to share the pass, and that's how you will be able to share it. Just choose a method of whichever one that you would prefer and desire to send, and tap on send, and that's how you will be able to share or transfer your tickets from your Apple Wallet to another person. Likewise, that's it. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below. We'll make sure to get back to you, and hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.